Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to add a button on a related list in Salesforce using the Quick Create feature. First, open your Salesforce dashboard and click the gear icon in the top right corner. Next, select Advanced Setup from the drop-down menu. In the Quick Find box, type Object Manager and click on it. After that, choose the object you want to update, like Case, Contact, Lead, or Opportunity. Now, click Page Layouts from the left menu and select the layout you want to modify. Scroll down to the related list you want to customize. For example, the related cases list under a contact. Click the wrench icon on the related list to open its settings. To add a button, locate it under the Custom Buttons section. Move it from Available Buttons to Selected Buttons and click OK. Once everything looks good, click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a button to a related list in Salesforce. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.